Yes, peeps, don't forget to subscribe. One Love TV. Alright? Back on the case again. So I just finished, start out some pumpkin to go downstairs and freeze up for the winter. Because you don't know anything set. Make a video about that before. But now, we're upon making some plantain porridge. Because I have some plant in the kitchen here. And the man must have to throw them away. So, we can't make that happen. Out of the door rain right now. And things. Somebody just there and mats up some plantain porridge. I'm going to throw some oats tonight. Right? And some steel cut oats. You know what I say? That's why I go and deal with it now. If you're drinking idea. Breakfast. And I really breakfast today, but you know the thing set. You know. And I'm midday now. I'm busy all morning and start out some things. You understand me I say? Somebody call Mr. Miller. Rice beer. Anyway, I should get back to Mr. Miller. I mat up some plantain porridge now. You see me I say? Yeah man. Mat up some plantain porridge. Yeah. Outside the rain. So we make it go and soak. And go and simmer. See? So we do blend out the plantain. And we just put a bit of water in it and we just put that pot. Right? With some coconut milk. Right? As you can see, I have my sweet milk. But the plantain is sweet already, you know, because it was really ripe. You know what I'm saying? It was really ripe. So it's kind of sweet already still. So when it finish, I'm going to taste it. And if it's too sweet, I'm going to have to put this. And then I have to put sugar. Right? If the plantain kind of green, it gives you a different taste. And you know, it's not, when it's ripe, it tastes more sweet. See? Especially when they're overripe. You know what I mean? So if you use green plantain, you can use green plantain and make the porridge. And you can use ripe plantain and make the porridge. But remember, porridge is sweet, so you don't have to use this. But we just have this just in case. But I don't really like too much of sweet stuff, but just in case. Just like a tip to build them up. Anyway, I put some vinegar already. No, not vinegar, vanilla. No vinegar. I put some vanilla. Little vanilla. Yeah. I put a little bit of touch of vanilla in it. Alright? Yeah man, so make it nice, you know. A little bit of salt. Yeah man. So I said things set man. On a rainy day. Plantain porridge. Mixed with oats and steel cut oats. You know what I say? So right now I want to simmer down right now. Alright peeps? Yeah man, I said things set man. One Love TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Show some love and show some likes. You see me? Goes like that. Cheers again. One Love TV in my kitchen today. Yeah. Brethren, give me some bark for soak. The soak. See? Bob one. Who know this? Bob one there. Who know Bob one there? Bob one there from Grenada. I hate this man. The real Bob one there. So you can do some research on it. The man is like a shoes leather, you know. It's really hard and stiff right now. Seeing some, I soak this with some other roots. And you know what I mean? But yeah, kind of good for you still, give energy, you know. Lots of energy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get back now. Mix it up, you know. Peeps, I'll be right back. Yes, peeps, right back here. Yeah, man, Peter find that part, man. Roots, man, you know. Give me a roots. So, guess what I know? Put some barb one. Oh, you get a boss. Make nice. Put some barb one there, you know. Test it first. Test it first, peeps. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, cheers. She's going for a little bit. Put on a long time, you know. Put on for a long time. Yes, Pete, big up yourself. I'm a flavor man that. Roots man. Tastes good, man. This guy though. Put some barb on the inside. People say you have to cut small. Run that back up. Have to cut small. Let me cough, boy. Run that back up. If I cut small, I can't run that back up. Barb one day. I smoke it now. Roots back. Throw some brandy on this. Throw some rum. I feel sick. Come on. I feel sick. Damn it, I'm dropping some pips. I feel sick. Take a shot of this. Bigger, too small. Too small, man. Too small. Barb one day, no? Barb one day. And rum. And brandy. Soak it up and drift to the rubber. Tell you. Real barb one day. See? Long to everything. So some roots. Some Gideon weed. Some barb one day. And some other stuff tonight. Yeah, man. Really want to know what's in the winter coming up. This thing's like a rubber. I tell you. Chop this. Oops. Like a rubber material. Rubber. I'm gonna chop off. Like a rubber peeps. Yes, peeps. I have a roast. A roast barb one there now. Take a drink sometimes, you know. Good for you. Winter time. Yes, peeps. Check out plantain porridge now. White porridge look nice. Look nice. Supposed to boil and finish now. Yes, peeps, that's how we do it, man. We just want to keep it spicy and keep it jiggy. Same way. You know what I mean? Spice it up. Spice man. In my kitchen me there. Up top.
Me rise up like the morning sun. Them can't stop me, the battle done. The light a shine, me victory won. Me a conqueror, me a chosen one. Them can't pull